Hello friends, I am back with a new video on an AutoCAD tutorial. So friends, today I am going to tell about how to draw hatch lines in 2D objects. I have drawn a 2D figure earlier, so I am going to show hatch lines in that particular figure. So I am going to paste that figure here. So this is a particular figure which I have drawn earlier. So in order to draw hatch lines, we have to first press H, then enter. Then we can see a window opens. This shows several options about hatching lines. So I'm going to first select the ANSI 31, which are generally shown in every pick. And now I'm going to pick the internal point. So I'm going to select this pick points, and I'm going to select a particular area to give the hatch lines here. As we see here, the hatch lines are shown here. So I'm going to click it here, then here, and here, and everywhere the space I want to give the hatch lines. Likewise here, and here, and this portion, this lower portion, this side portion, this portion, and this portion. Now I'm going to give hatch lines here, portion. So if the hatch lines appear very closer to each other, then we have to make it more broader. So for this purpose, we have an option here which is called scale. So in this scale option, we have to give several scale types, like I have given here one, and to make it more broader, we have to give it like 2, 3, 4. Likewise, we have seen here the space between the hatch lines increasing gradually. So if we want to give an angle to the hatch lines, likewise we have here it is a 0 angle of the hatch line. If we want to turn the hatch lines in the opposite direction, then we have to give the angle like here 90 degrees. And when we select it, we get an opposite hatch line. So friends, that is how hatch lines are drawn in an AutoCAD software. Please friends, subscribe, like and share my channel to get more details on an AutoCAD tutorial. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.